An edge bend can be used to convert non-tangent edges of your sheet metal part into bends. Go to the Bends group and select Edge Bend from the Bend Types drop-down menu. Then press Ctrl and select your edges. In this case, the dashboard shows us that the inside bend radius is defined as the thickness of the sheet metal material. By default, each new bend is created using these properties. If we check the Placement tab, we can also see that these three edges are part of a single set. To remove an edge from the set, you can right-click on the edge and select Remove. Or you can press Ctrl and reselect the edge you want removed. To add a new set, you can click New Set in the Placement tab or simply select an edge. The properties of this new bend set can be defined separately from the first set. You can edit the radius if necessary. Here we'll change it from inside thickness to be 30 and outside. And if you need to create a partial edge bend, you can use the drag handles to edit the bend line. Creo Parametric makes edge bends quick and easy, helping you get your sheet metal designs done as quickly and accurately as possible.